Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my skincare routine that I was following since quite some time to get rid of my pigmentation and marks. So if you've been following me from a while, you might have seen in my previous makeup videos as well that I had severe hyperpigmentation or like around my mouth area, and even I had a lot of like acne marks and stuff. And that was because sometime back I did face a lot of like skin irritation, like damaged skin barrier and stuff, and because that led to a lot of like hyperpigmentation and marks, which were very difficult to go, because I did try so many different products but none of them were giving me the kind of results. And also because like I had a damaged skin barrier, so I couldn't be using like too many actives, because when you're having a damaged skin barrier, you should protect your skin. You should first heal your skin and then probably use those strong actives to get rid of the marks. And I was like literally going in a cycle, because the moment I would use actives, my skin would react badly, because my barrier was also damaged. So it was like literally I was just going in circles, and that is when I consulted my dermatologist also, and he asked me to stop using all sorts of actives, and he just prescribed me a very basic simple skincare routine, which I have been following since quite some time now religiously. And you will see in the before and after pictures right here that it has given me such a great improvement in terms of reducing the pigmentation and marks as well, without using any actives. I have not used any sort of actives in all of these months, and yet it has given me such great results. So I just wanted to share it with you guys also guys, I know my skin is still not like crystal clear, but I'm slowly getting there, and I'm hopeful with continuous usage of these products for maybe 1 or 2 months, I will be able to get rid of all my pigmentation pretty soon. Now this skincare routine isn't anything fancy, it's just basic cleansing, moisturizing and sunscreen only, because I am a mother and I also have to regularly film YouTube videos, so I don't get time, to be honest, for like a 5 or 10 step skincare routine, elaborate skincare routine, because first my skin is very sensitive, so I have to be very careful of what I apply on my skin, and also I don't get the time for it. So I have kept my routine pretty simple and basic. So yeah, if you want to know what all products I have been using, then please continue watching. So first let's start with cleanser. So the cleanser that I would highly recommend you do try out is this Episoft cleansing lotion for sensitive skin type. So this is 250 ml of product, and it retails only for rupees 550, which I know you can think it's a little bit pricey, but this is such a fantastic cleansing lotion, guys. So this is a non-foaming cleanser, okay? So when you're using this is not going to give you any sort of like foam, या बोलते ना जो झाग होता है ना, वैसा नहीं आएगा. This is a non-foaming gentle cleanser that very like deeply yet effectively gets rid of all the impurities. So this is an amazing cleanser even if you have like very sensitive oily skin type, atopic skin, अगर आपको dermatitis वगैरह की भी problem है, then also you can easily use this, because this is very gentle at the same time very effective. So I am using this twice in a day, once in the morning and once at night, and obviously बीच में अगर if I'm wearing some makeup और मुझे कुछ निकालना है, so maximum thrice in a day I use this cleansing lotion all over my face and neck. ना जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया, मेरे जो प्रॉब्लम एरियाज थे दैट वर ड्राइनेस, pigmentation and acne spots and stuff, and also I had a damaged skin barrier. So in order to tackle dryness and all these issues, earlier what I used to do, I used to use different kind of products and serums. जैसे dryness को tackle करने के लिए hyaluronic acid में लगाती थी. Then when it comes to my hyperpigmentation and spots, I used to try using actives or some other oils and stuff. But because I was using so many different products, my skin started feeling very congested. So that is why what my dermatologist suggested is that we'll stick to a very basic routine of cleansing and moisturization stuff, and whatever ये जो issues है जैसे dryness वगैरह को tackle करना है, pigmentation को tackle करना है, for that he suggested me the new herbs hair skin vitamins with hyaluronic acid, which comes in this kind of a packaging. So this supplement contains hyaluronic acid, primrose oil powder, turmeric and green tea extract, which works wonders for your skin. So instead of applying the hyaluronic acid serum topically I was taking and I'm still taking these capsules twice daily. So hyaluronic acid helps keep the body tissues well lubricated and moist and more nourished. Primrose oil powder is wealthy in gamma linolenic acid, that is GLA, that helps promote good skin, and turmeric and green tea extract helps combat skin inflammation, itchiness and dry skin, and also helps to maintain a healthy supple complexion. And I'm honestly so sorted now because I don't have to follow a 10-step skincare routine with all the oils and the serums and the actives, because instead of applying topically, I'm taking them internally. So it's going to provide that nourishment to my entire body, not just my face, because those serums and those oils I'm going to be applying topically just on my face, but this provides nourishment for my entire body ka skin also, which is so amazing, right? Also, the New Herbs hair skin vitamins also contain glycine, L-cysteine, which are amino acids, along with vitamins and minerals that are very much essential to take care of our skin and hair tissues from internally, which also includes biotin. And it also contains antioxidants like pomegranate fruit extract and lycopene, which fight oxidative damage in the body cells that helps to recover from internal issues. Altogether, they support integrity, texture, and provide nourishment to the hair and the skin, which is generally affected by poor sleep, stress, and weight loss diets. So it's a complete hair and skincare nourishment formula which does not contain any doping agent or preservatives, and it is also vitamin K free. So I've given the direct link of this product also in the description box below, in case if you want to check them out. You can definitely do so, because this is a highly recommended product from my side, because they definitely do work really well. But because this is a consumable, I would definitely suggest you to first consult your doctor before you start consuming it, just to rule out any possibility of any allergies. So yeah, I have given the link of this one also in the description box below. Moving on to moisturizer. So for moisturizer, my doctor recommended me a very basic moisturizer. So this is the Dr. Reddy's Venusia Derm Cream. Now this can be used for both face and body, but I prefer using this only on my face, because इसी में जो Venusia का cream है, इसी में एक lotion form में आता है, that also you can use for your body. And also because ये ना थोड़ा सा छोटा size में आता है, so I prefer using this only on my face. So this again is a very basic moisturizer. So इसका price 249 rupees है, and you get about 75 grams of product in here. So it comes in this kind of a packaging, tube form में आता है, so very convenient to carry also. And इसका जो texture है ना हल्का सा थोड़ा सा thick है, but at the same time it absorbs really well into your skin. आपको बस थोड़ा सा, you just need a pea-sized amount of this moisturizer, and once you're done washing your face with the Episoft cleansing lotion, you can directly take a pea-sized amount of this moisturizer and apply it all over your face and neck, and you will instantly see your skin feeling so much more hydrated and well nourished. And this is a very basic moisturizer, let me tell you that. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. It contains like aloe butter, mango butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, and a lot of other like basic moisturizing ingredients basically, but at the same time, having said all of that, this does a fantastic job, guys. So if you're looking out for a very nice basic moisturizer, fuss free moisturizer, then this is definitely the one for you. So ये भी मैं दिन में 2 बार लगाती हूँ, in the morning as well as in the night time. And now to the last and the final product which I've been using religiously is a sunscreen, and this is the Episoft AC sunscreen. अभी I have talked about the sunscreen so many times on my channel that अगर आप, if you have been a regular subscriber, then आप बोर ही हो चुके होंगे hearing about this again. But trust me, this is one of the best sunscreens in the market. This is a sunscreen with a moisturizer, ठीक है. So अगर आपको separate ये moisturizer नहीं लगाना है, then you can just simply use this sunscreen on its self also, because इसमें moisturizer भी है. So this is the moisturizer with micro encapsulated sunscreen, which provides you a broad spectrum protection from both UVA and UVB rays, and this has an SPF of 30 with boot star rating of 4 stars, and this is one of the best sunscreens, guys. मतलब मैं जितना भी ये sunscreen के बारे में recommend करूँ ना, it's not enough. It does not give you any white cast whatsoever. At the same time, ये इतना ज़्यादा amazing protection देता है ना, that this is like literally my holy grail. I do have another sunscreen, but वो थोड़ा सा expensive है. That is why for budget category अगर आप कोई रिकमेंडेशन पूछो देन दिस इज़ द ओनली सनस्क्रीन दैट आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड. सो ये था मेरा बेसिक स्किन केयर रूटीन. आई नो यू माइट बी थिंकिंग विदाउट यूजिंग एनी एक्टिव्स, विदाउट यूजिंग एनी थिंग आपका पिगमेंटेशन गया कैसे. बट ट्रस्ट मी कभी कभार जो सिंपल चीज़ें ही होती है वो ही बहुत ही अच्छा काम करती है. एंड मेरे केस में तो यही हुआ. ये मेरा ऑनेस्ट स्किन केयर रूटीन था गाइज़. ये कोई भी स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो या कुछ भी नहीं है. मुझे बस अपना ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन शेयर करना था आपके साथ. दैट इज़ वाई आई wanted to make this video, because कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, when you think about problems या when you think about skin issues, we often try to use so many different products and stuff to get rid of that thing. but कभी कभार क्या होता है, बहुत ही बेसिक सिंपल स्किन केयर रूटीन ही अगर आप स्टार्ट करो फॉलो करना, वो ही काफ़ी अच्छे से हेल्प कर देता है. सो आई हैव गिवन द डायरेक्ट लिंक्स ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. इन केस इफ यू वांट टू चेक देम आउट, यू कैन डू सो. एंड आई होप you found this video useful and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're watching me for the first time, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, because it would really mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.